Hiccup.
Dad, look, I need to talk to you, Dad.
I need to speak with you too, son.
I've decided I don't want to fight dragons. What?
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
You get your wish. Dragon training. Start in the morning.
Oh man, I really should have gone first. You know, because I was thinking, we have a surplus of dragon fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread making Vikings?
You'll need this.
Dad, I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on. Yes, you do.
No, let me rephrase it. I can't kill dragons.
But you will.
No, I'm very extra sure that I won't.
It's time, Hiccup.